$120 iced black coffee.
Go straight in and bite this crab, bro.
Bro, what? Look how high we are. Oh my days. What? We are here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, on the Twin Tower cross bridge.
Cost 4,500
4,500 for
for
1 gram. Chat, we are here. Haha, Malaysia. Okay, that way. Crazy little setup. Look, Nasi Lemak. Look at the setup, bro. In the back street here. It's crazy, eh? Like just literally on the side of the road here. It smells like spiciness. Malay, look there.
Crazy guy.
Wow, the traffic is crazy.
Motorbikes are crazy.
Hey, what's up? What is that? Hello. Pretty crazy how they've just got everything in buckets, bro. The egg. One thing about Malaysia so far that I've appreciated is majority of everything is in English, and it's not hard to understand, like all the signs, and majority of people here speak English very well. Let's have a quick look at this. Jalan Ampang is one of the earliest roads in Kuala Lumpur. It began as a forest trail leading to a small tin mining village called Ampang. So this is that road here we're on, actually. Look at this. This is all villages, bro. 1818. And then look at this. So from that to that, KLCC Twin Towers. That's the Twin Towers that we're looking for. See how significant it looks? So I guess today we're going to see the Twin Towers and get blackout drunk. Oh, no jokes. All the people who are selling street food, they've got all their food just in containers. Like, what? You heat the food up? There they are, look. That's the Twin Towers right there. That's them, look how big they are. What? I don't know if this camera is doing justice. Look at this. This is a temple. Let's have a quick look. What are you doing here? Hello, can I look in there?
Can.
You can?
Shoot.
Remove a few.
Leave here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, chat. People are praying.
Free lunch today.
Free lunch.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Right, pretty nice, eh? What are all these, bro? Oh, there's a monk. There's a monk. I think there's a monk. Look. That's a monk there. That's a monk. That's a monkey. Shut up. Here, calm. Here, entrance and ticket, Sky Experience. Excuse me. You know how you buy the tickets?
Sorry, yeah. Buy for today?
Yeah.
10:50.
Yeah, we go 10:15.
You can join the line.
Thank you. We joined the line because we're going up to the tower. $250, which would probably be about $100. That's us going up, chat.
Welcome to the skybridge. Please mind your step.
We are here. There's a bridge that crosses over to the two Twin Towers. This is the bridge, and we're going to walk across it.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and very good morning and welcome to the Skybridge Twin Towers. So you are now at level 41. Okay, standing at a height is 170 meters above the ground level. For your information, this is double deck Skybridge for upper deck. Level 42 is basically for the staff use and also serve as evacuation route in case of the emergency, especially in a fire emergency.
What? We are here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, on the Twin Tower cross bridge. What? Ew. This is crazy, eh? Hit that sub button, boys. We're going another. Bro, we're going up there. 3 more levels to go, chat. This is only 83. What? Look how high we are. We are, oh my gosh, bro. That's the top of the building, bro. We are literally, what? Bro, what? Look how high we are. Oh my days. Look at the city, boys. Look how big and how much buildings there are. What's that? Bro, this is crazy. Look at Dad. Let's get Dad's reaction.
86.
What? That's crazy, man. Look at that Ascot. Maybe we get a hotel there. Look. Bro, there's a cemetery down there? What is that? Looks like a cemetery down there. I'm gonna definitely look into this hotel right here. Ascot and Star. Well, it's funny you say that because I'm literally here at the Star. Ascot and Star. Folks, editing this video. Look, Kazura up there. Sorry, Tia, I interrupt the video, but I needed to do that. We outside, baby. Let's go back to the video. Let's get some information here. The design of each tower floor plate is based on a simple Islamic geometric form of two interlocking squares called Rab al-Hizbah, creating a shape of 8 pointed stars. These forms describe important Islamic principles of unity within unity, harmony, stability, and rationality. In order to meet safety construction regulations, the towers have to be able to withstand winds up to 105 kilometers per hour, about 1/3 of the wind speed Hurricane Katrina. 88 floor towers are constructed largely and reinforced concrete and feature multi-sided walls of 33,000 stainless steel and 55,000 glass panels. Laminated glass panels can reflect the harmful UV rays to reduce heat. It would take almost 2 months to clean the entire panels. The tower features a double-decker skybridge. That's where we were before. It's crazy, boys. Let's go check this other side, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty crazy, eh? We're gonna be doing this to all countries, by the way, chat. Appreciate everyone watching. Come along for the journey too. I'm hoping I'm inspiring people back home to like, yous can do this too, you know what I mean? Plan trips and just take the leap, bro. This is my second time leaving the country, and I've just fully, let's go, let's do it. I like the fact that the city's here, buildings, and there's like backdrop of hills and mountains. It's crazy, man. Look at their jobs. Window cleaners. Roughly takes 2 months, bro, to clean every panel. Over there, look, I don't know if you can see, but there's window cleaners hanging off that building. Look at that. They're cleaning windows. Look how high they've got.
Look at that, they're coming down now.
What a crazy job, eh? Hey. Alright, here we are, boys. We're back. We're gonna go get some food. Have a bit of a... Ooh! Look here. Oh my days, baby. There's a shopping center right here. We are here at the food court. Best one. Best, number one food. Donut. Donut. Ah.
Reducing weight.
Donut. Come on, man. I want some Malaysian food. We'll do a quick lap, see what's actually here. What? This is Japanese. Indonesia. Wok and grill. Look at that. Little fish, crab, big prawns. Bro. Food looks so nice, man. Those for ages. Look. How are you? Good, mate, good.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Perth, yeah. Perth, yeah.
Sydney.
Yeah. I'm looking for a satay.
Satay.
Yeah, satay. Chicken satay.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Ah, okay. No worries.
Do you like satay?
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Can I get lamb, biryani?
Masala.
Masala. This, and this. Right. Yeah, how much?
All separate prices.
Yeah.
How much you take first?
Yeah. How much?
Take first.
Huh?
Take first.
I take first.
Yeah, take first. Okay, right.
Take it first, then you give me a price. You don't know the price now, no? You don't know the price now?
It's all separate side.
This guy's stupid, bro. Chops, nasi barani, 65 ringgit, which is basically... Chat, this is what we got. Let's find Dad and we'll eat this. That's what we got. Crab, the chicken, the lamb, the curry. Gotta try to staunch me. Go straight in and bite this crab, bro. Not sure if you're supposed to eat the core, the shell. I feel like you are. Or are you? Let's just take all of that in. Here we go. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, crab. Now chat, let's just try the curry. Biryani. Ooh. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this lamb, bro. Lamb. Yeah. Coke Zero. Look at this chicken. That's so nice. You know when you get the Chinese pork, that flavor, but chicken and more intensifying with like seasoning and sauce. So far, so good. Look at this coffee place. I want to go for a walk in there. Gacha coffee. Pretty lit up, like it catches your eye. I don't know what it's all about. Gacha. Hello. What is this place? It's a restaurant.
Yeah, it's a restaurant and it's a coffee shop.
It's a coffee shop
It's
restaurant.
a black coffee.
Black coffee.
Not latte, not cappuccino.
Hello, brother. Could I get one of your most popular black coffees?
Popular black coffees.
Yeah.
This one our best premium coffee. This one our strong, and this one is our light coffee, and this one is
I'll try the premium. Is it a takeaway cup?
It's a takeaway cup, but
Yeah.
we serve you with chantilly cream, brown sugar, and also spoon. You got 18 flavors inside.
18 flavors.
18 flavors inside.
18 flavors of coffee inside one cup.
One cup.
Oh my days.
When you try Paris.
Paris Gold.
Paris.
Because it's the most expensive one?
It's our expensive coffee here. Famous for our premium coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is that? That's like 121 Australian. For one coffee.
One coffee cup.
One coffee cup in $21.
Yeah.
Oh my days, chat.
This one only can be grown at the oldest farm one. With this one, can I show you?
Yeah, show me, smell.
I smell, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
$21 for one coffee. What?
This one
This one's
is from Brazil.
Brazil. Yeah.
So this one, let's say if you want to purchase the bean, right?
Yeah.
This already 100 gram, 4,500.
4,500. What the heck,
This
bro?
one smells.
Right. You can smell that already. Okay.
It can be grown at the oldest farm in the world, which is we call it as a fazenda.
How do you say that? Parasa.
Paraiso.
Parasa Gold Coffee. Alright, I'll go one of them. $121 coffee. And I drink it straight away. It's like a takeaway cup.
Yes.
Bruh. That's expensive coffee. We're trying $121 Australian coffee. Sheesh! You tasted it before?
Yeah, we taste already.
Is it strong?
Medium body.
Medium body.
Yep. But the quality is quite.
After
371 after tax.
After tax.
After tax. I don't know what after tax means, but 1, 2, 4. 400 ringgit. Tip. Yeah, have it. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Easy. Giving back to the people of Malaysia. Alright, chat. To put that into perspective for yous, we just spent $140 on a coffee. And I gave him a tip actually. What do you reckon? $120 coffee.
I'm glad I don't drink coffee. I'm a black tea man.
What?
No sugar.
You like black tea bags?
Yeah.
What? Free gift for me. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. So he gave me some free gift. Tip would have been $12 Australian.
He would be happy with that.
Yeah. But all up, $140 is pretty much 140 smackaroonies, boys. That's crazy. Brother, that's gonna be strong or what? Bro, that's 5? Like 6 shots of coffee, bro. Am I gonna sleep or what? Might be
flying, man. I'm flying, man.
This one?
This one is the chantilly cream.
Cream.
Yeah.
Where do you put the cream?
It's actually the cream to make the flavor comes out from the coffee actually. It's not like a whipping cream actually.
Oh.
It's a special cream that our chef make every day.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, vanilla bean grind here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we serve you sugar.
Brown sugar crystal.
Yeah.
So do I need to add it in? Add the cream in or no?
Actually, you first. Let's say if you want something like creamy, then you can put.
Then I add.
chantilly
Okay.
cream, yeah.
Alright, chat, this is it. $120 coffee. Let's go try this somewhere. Nice and humid, boys. Alright, chat. I'm gonna park up here somewhere. $120 iced black coffee. $120 iced black coffee. Now look at this. Let's go here in Malaysia. 120 Australian dollars. Here we go, bottoms up, baby. Bro, smooth, hint of fruitiness. It's not worth $120, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try it with some cream. Look at this, $120. He said to add cream in to make it sweeter. But I just ruined my $120 coffee. I just ruined it, bro. Look at this. Look at that. I feel like throwing it. I feel like throwing it out. Look at that. I shouldn't have added the cream. You know what I'm saying?
I don't drink coffee.
Bro,
Waste of money.
Waste them.
Waste of tip.
It doesn't taste any better than McConan. Instant coffee. I'm not joking, bro. Anyways,
It is what it is.
I got a free glass straw out of it. Did I just get scammed? Far out, chat. I just got scammed, baby. Anyways, I'm gonna throw this in the bin now. That's where we were, the 40th floor, Twin Towers. And then way up there somewhere, bro. This is where we are, by the way. I feel ripped off, bro. Obviously it wasn't their strongest coffee, but it did leave like a flavor in my mouth. I feel woken up a bit now, sort of like intensifying like this. Anyways, I think we're going to walk back through here to the shopping centers and come out to where the Twin Towers, we walk through the Twin Towers. Alright, what is that, bro? What the? Look how real it looks. With this one, sort of blinking. Let's do this. Ha 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 ha.
Okay. Malaysia good?
Good, brother. What's your name?
Morgan.
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 Morgan Freeman.
Yeah.
Perth.
Perth, Australia.
Yeah.
Australia. Go to Batu Cave, very nice.
Batu Cave.
We want to go there.
We want to go there, bro.
Batu Cave, King Palace.
How far is it from here? 20 minutes.
Cave.
Batu Cave, yeah.
I give one package.
One package for all of this.
Batu Cave, King Palace, Chocolate House, coffee, and then
All of these places.
yeah.
How much?
300. All 7 places.
300.
Yeah.
Together, 300.
Yeah.
Okay, Morgan, I'll keep your card.
Okay, till evening.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good, Morgan.
That's crazy, eh, chat? Yes, baby. Whoa.